How do you know which character in a movie or drama is the main character? Even if you don't know the cast or the hero before you start watching, it's like once they walked in, you knew that it is the guy. It is because they have the main character energy. They have that charisma, that personality. They are able to stand out. It's not only restricted to real stuff, but you see people like those in your daily life too, that once they walk in the room, every discussion is all of a sudden about them. Okay, that sounds a bit dramatic, but seriously, they do grab a lot of attention and stares. That makes me think, is that achievable? Well, good news, it is. They are him or the it guy or the guy for a reason. And in this video, we're going to break that down for you. Now I know what you're thinking. It's another BS guide about 101 ways to build an aesthetic physique, and so, but trust me, it's not. So let's discuss something else. Step 1, dress to impress ops. Dress to impress with what you've got. Go to your wardrobe, take all your clothes out. Make 3 piles of them. Ones which you think are the best. Throw in it the ones you've just recently bought, or the ones which you think works in all situations. In the next pile, throw in the maybe ones. The ones which are a little old but are still in working condition, or the colors you think won't suit you. In the last pile, you need to throw the ones which are in bad condition, or the ones you just know you won't ever wear. Kick the last pile out. For the first 2, make a list of items. Go to Pinterest and search for men's street outfit, or men's casual outfit, or men's formal outfits. You'll get a lot of ideas. Use them on what you got. Start with copying. With time, you'll get natural at it. If you have an outfit idea from which you have one article missing, like you have a pants but not the hoodie, invest in it. In this way, you'll only be buying specific items that you absolutely need and not redo your wardrobe from scratch. If you are to buy, choose items that works for more than one outfit ideas. Choose a color palette and stick to it. Step 2, hygiene. Okay, the first thing you notice about someone is their dressing. Next comes their hygiene. Make sure you wear deodorant before you go out, because if your goal is to attract people, stinking will do the opposite of it. Make sure your teeth are neat and clean. Your mouth doesn't stink and your teeth are white too. Use some teeth whiteners, mouthwash, and rinse your mouth every time you eat something. Wash your face, especially your eyes. If the white of your eyes is turning yellow, visit a doctor and get some eye drops. If you want to keep a beard, keep it well maintained and trimmed. If you don't want to keep a beard, shave it off. Don't let a 12 o'clock shadow cloud your face. Lastly, brush your hairs and use hair products to keep them well maintained. Choose a haircut that suits you the best and wear it with confidence. Step 3, mentality. There are 2 layers to this step. One is about how much you know. Second is how you behave. For the first one, there is no shortcut. You need to study more to know more. But there are a few hacks that can come handy. If you aren't a reader and can't read, or just don't have the time to read, try listening to audiobooks and podcasts. There are podcasts about almost every topic out there. You just have to pick the one that suits you the best. Follow pages on Instagram that post stuff about education or history or current affairs or sports. For second part, you just need to do 2 things. Listen more. People love good listeners. Don't judge. People feel less confident in sharing about themselves with you if they have the fear of being judged. So don't let that fear grow. That's it for now. Do these 3 things, and you'll see significant changes within you.